IPL is great for photorejuvenation as it stimulates collagen production, improves skin texture, reduction of fine lines, and minimizing pores. IPL can be used to treat pigmentation issues such as sunspots, age spots, and freckles by breaking down melanin clusters. It is also effective for superficial hyperpigmentation, but not for deep pigmentation such as melasma. It is also effective in management of acne. It is widely used as a hair removal device. IPL can be used to remove certain vascular lesions such as broken capillaries in sun-damaged skin. IPL, if not used correctly, can cause burns, leading to hypo and hyperpigmentation, and sometimes this can be permanent. IPL must be performed by a qualified and trained professional. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Please like